For the other 100 bits, I appreciate that. Thank you so much. And you scare me again. I'm serious. Oh shit. Okay, this is asphalite. BB. I didn't hit your nose, right? Sorry. I will be lighter, okay? Okay, this is cutie. BB. And the last thing is the corn can. BB. Okay. Put everything inside. Put everything inside. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go. I think we need to put our bag on first. Then we can have a hands to do it. What combo? Thank you for follow 0 Cypher 11. Welcome to my channel. I'm telling you. Okay. Okay. I think. Okay, we go out from there. Let's go. We already buy everything. We go out from the men's store. Hi, Misan. I don't speak Chinese. Yes, don't worry. I don't speak English too. It's okay. Definitely fine. Here we speak Chinese. Here we speak English more, but I speak Chinese too. So we speak both. Speak both. Let's go out from the men's store. We buy a lot of food today. We buy something for tonight's dinner. And also we buy some like cookies and chips for movie night. I hope you guys love this because later we will cook. Later we'll cook together. It's a romantic dinner. That's why I buy the wine. It's heavy. Oh my god, it's so heavy again. Shit. I need to bring you guys and these things go home. I'm so strong. I'm such a strong woman. Shit. Okay, let's go. Go home. Go home, guys. Thank you for follow Mr. Soka 221. Welcome. In chat, invite to movie night? Is chat? Yes, of course. Everyone invited to movie night tonight. So if we got movie night tonight, I will post on my Discord the link, okay? We always have a movie night in Josephine's Discord, and I will be there too. So if today we got any movie night in Josephine's Discord, I will post on my Discord, general chat. My Discord is exclamation Discord. If you guys willing to join, I will be really happy. Thanks. I will post some like photo layer in sub VIP only chat for content. Yes. 日本现在疫情有好一点了吗？我觉得看起来是有，但是实际上不晓得。感觉新闻还是说有很多病例，所以希望可以大家还是要多戴口罩，少出门。